Okay, welcome back to Feed the Love, where we believe that food is a love language. Today, Austin is going to be learning how to pickle carrots.
Hi.
Back in the kitchen.
So good.
Steven?
Is it okay if the lemons aren't like at the top?
The lemons are to keep the carrots from coming out of the top.
Oh.
Yeah, the lemons are your acidic
This
barrier.
one's not doing it.
Yeah, so anybody who's peeking through, we're going to throw in the fridge because fridge cold is going to preserve your food too, and then eat those suckers. Don't let them sit, eat those suckers. So those 2 jars will eat, these 2 jars will go. Now there's one more last thing that's very, very crucial. You need to put the lids on, I'm going to teach you what it is the crucial thing is.
I'll put the lids on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do I need to like tighten them or?
That's the thing. So because the Acetobacter and Lactobacillus are working and they're living in there, they're going to be bubbling and fermenting and doing all their beautiful things, and it's going to take about 1 to 2 weeks. Right. So you don't want it to explode. So what you do is you take the lid and you tighten it, and then you just loosen it and you let it sit loose for about 2 weeks. Now, if you have countertops porous granite, you don't want to leave it sitting because if any liquid bubbles over, it's going to come down onto the countertop. You can put them on a butcher block, something like this. You can put them on a towel, whatever you want to do. But these guys will sit. You don't have any idea where the larger lids are.
So don't let your kids run around grabbing these jars because they're not sealed
At all.
and it's gonna make a mess.
Or teach your kids how to pickle and they'll know what's happening and they'll be the ones that know when to come seal it.
Exactly.
There's a date on a lot of these lids, so you can write the date on them because I reuse lids to go through a lot of food.
It's gonna work, see?
Yeah. So now you just have to make note of what Tuesday today is and what Tuesday you can seal these guys all the way. Yeah, seal them all the way and then you can store them because they're gonna be
How do we
done.
write on them?
We're not gonna write on them, they're not your lids. So tighten and then loosen.
Tighten and then loosen.
Yeah.
Bend and snap.
Literally a snap. Okay. So 2 weeks from today is the end of the month, I believe. What's today? 7th?
Today's the 7th.
To the 21st.
Okay, 21st. So on the 21st, just tighten all these guys and put them on your shelf. Which is good because we're going to be moving in the 22nd. So then this place will be nice and clean for them.
What? There you go.
There you go. Okay, so now you know how to make pickled carrots. Do you want to taste test some existing pickled carrots over there and tell them what they taste like? Because they don't know what this tastes like.
Well, I don't know how to describe it. It just tastes good.
Well, I think you should try one and Jessica should try one, and then we'll start learning how to describe them.
Jessica, go first.
What's that?
All right, carrot. Those are the finished goods.
Try the pickle.
And I want you to describe how it tastes, and then I'll tell you what words, like what descriptive words we're looking for.
Okay. Crunchy.
Okay.
Sour.
Okay.
Citrus.
Okay. So you're getting ahead of the ginger.
I taste the ginger for sure. And lemon.
Okay.
I don't know what mustard seed tastes like, but I get a hint of like mustard.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the mustard seed.
Mustard.
Taste them. See what you taste.
Yeah. Fresh.
Dominantly the ginger. The ginger definitely dominates it, but definitely citrusy, crunchy. All the words we described already.
Yeah.
So then 5 flavor food groups are sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, which is like a protein
Sour.
flavor. So sour. You get any salty, you get any bitter?
Not too much on the salt here.
Because we put, those have spirit.
I taste the salt.
Yeah, you do?
But there's no salt in them. It's just the vinegar.
Really?
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. I
But
do
it's got
taste
a
little bit
beautiful like,
bitterness.
rind to it. Yeah. So those ones had spearmint in them, which is going to have a little bit of a bitter note.
Okay.
Yeah, but I like the spearmint with the cucumber.
Do we set them right here?
Yep, set them right here. You're going to watch them. You're responsible for them. Eat as many as you want, and the ones that should go in the fridge need to go in the fridge.
Wait, which one do you see in the fridge?
Which ones do need to go in the fridge?
I think it was just this one.
The top ones.
Yeah. I think it was just this one.
Okay, well, thank you for watching Feed the Love. Hope you had a good time. Congratulate Austin on his first. This is the first thing you ever
Good
cooked.
job, Austin!
Yes, this is the first time.
Did a great job following instructions.
Mom is so proud of me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like, subscribe. We'll have ball jars and we'll have stuff like that you can order online in the link below.
Now I can teach Mama.
Yep.
Yep.
Go for it.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Feed the Love, the channel where we believe that food is a love language. So today I'm giving you a real quick sneak peek. This is the kitchen behind me where you see me cooking all the time. And then behind that is the living room. This is my house, guys. People wanted to know what it was behind where I'm cooking. This is it. Full kitchen, got some stuff on the stove, got dishes drying, and you guys all know the dining area. Have a great day. Welcome to Feed the Love. Please watch, subscribe, let us know your thoughts, ideas. We would love to hear what recipes you want to see. Thanks. Have a great day. Continue watching the next video.